That's a bold statement.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely not. Today's video, me and my boy Scott take you all on a ride on your Harley Davidson and my Indian Challenger to Cap Riccotti's, which was nominated on my last Facebook post as one of the best sandwiches in America. Today we ride and find out. On being on the road about 6 a.m. this morning, and everything fell apart. My bike wouldn't start. I locked my keys in the house, forgot the helmet, had to get Scott boots because he forgot boots, so I had to get him some new riding boots. Luckily, a gentleman had given me some and said if a veteran ever needs boots, you give these to him. I've been hanging on to him for almost a year. Finally got him to a veteran today. The ride in was beautiful. I mean, it was a little warm in the beginning, but the road was just beautiful. We were winding through these mountain passes, some switchback turns, beautiful scenery, just putting down some miles with a good friend and an American veteran. By the time we arrived to the restaurant, it was extremely hot. I mean, we were talking like 97 degrees is what it read on my motorcycle. So we were cooking, man. We were ready to get here, ready to get into the AC. Yeah, you know whose bike that is? That's my boy Doc. What's happening, baby?
What's happening?
You ready to try one of these sandwiches?
Oh, absolutely.
You've had it before?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Well, in Las Vegas.
Oh, it's a chain.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know.
Man. And they're very particular with their food.
Okay, so I didn't know they were a chain. This location happens to be not far from Doc's house here in Oklahoma. He moved from Vegas to Oklahoma. That's, oh my God, look at the line. Oh man. Must be good. Upon arriving, we noticed immediately that the line was coming out the door. We literally had to stand outside just to wait to place our order. It says it right here. Voted greatest sandwich in America. That's a bold statement.
Hi, I'm Glenn Bachman with Capriotti's Broken Arrow, and my partner is Stan Swiden. We decided to get together. We were college buddies and put a business in together, and it's going great. One of our best sandwiches is a capastrami. We have pastrami, it has Swiss cheese, Russian dressing, coleslaw, and pepper. And it is just amazing the way it goes together. We do it on the grill. It's a hot sandwich. It's one of our best sandwiches. Our Wagyu cheesesteaks are amazing. Also, we cook our turkeys overnight. Come see us. We'd love to have you here. Capriotti's Broken Arrow.
So I got this for tradition, Doug.
Oh, you gotta have dessert before your food.
Dessert before food.
Gotta have it.
Time I go out to Doc, he always eats dessert before dinner. We're not breaking tradition today. What do we got here? Oh man.
Here's a large Wagyu cheesesteak with hot peppers,
Long that thing is.
medium pastrami, and a large pastrami.
Nice. Thank you. This is crazy. Okay, here we go. This is absurd. Oh no, this is the pastrami. It's got the coleslaw. Look at that. Coleslaw and pastrami. That, my friends, is a good looking sandwich. The bread is light and soft and warm. Looking good. Woo.
Like Christmas.
Hell yeah. Where do you start at?
Thank you for inviting me.
Yeah,
Yes.
man. Thank
Look
you
at that.
for coming.
That is amazing.
So here's how this is gonna work. We couldn't decide between the Wagyu cheesesteak and the pastrami. So Scott and I are gonna go halves. Here's your half of the Wagyu. My half of the pastrami. And then I've got one of each. Let's give the pastrami a bite first. It's like a sauce. There's some sort of spicing on this pastrami. It gives it a unique taste, almost like it's maybe a little heavier peppered, but then mixed against that coleslaw and the soft bread. think that's really all there is to the sandwich. You open it up, pastrami on one side. Oh, coleslaw. It looks like some sort of a red chipotle sauce. Is that chipotle sauce in there?
Amazing.
That's really good. Next, we give a shot to the Wagyu. Now, if you all don't know what Wagyu is, it's like super expensive, fancy beef. Let's get a good definition of Wagyu right here. All right, let's give it a shot. Wagyu cheesesteak. What do you think, Scott?
The pastrami is on point, everything. But the Wagyu is good, but it needs something. And I'm thinking ketchup.
I will never put that on
You
here.
are a sailor.
Or some steak sauce.
Ketchup on a cheesesteak sandwich.
There really ain't much cheese. You know? There really ain't much cheese.
So you're wanting more cheese
Definitely more cheese.
and ketchup.
Ketchup or steak sauce.
Would you eat ketchup on a cheesesteak?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely not. No, that's horrible. How's yours?
No, amazing.
Yeah.
The pastrami is definitely on point.
Yeah, it is.
You cannot doctor it up. You must eat it the way it comes.
It's pretty good the way it is. Wagyu cheesesteak and the capistrami, both delicious sandwiches. In my opinion, the cheesesteak had lots of meat. It was hearty, but not enough sauce. It wasn't wet enough. When I eat a cheesesteak, I like to have it wet and dripping. So the Wagyu cheesesteak was not my favorite, but the capistrami was delicious. All in all, I did about a 3-hour ride up here today to try this sandwich and share it with y'all. I would definitely recommend visiting the restaurant. I would definitely recommend the capistrami. And if you happen to come to the one in Broken Arrow, talk to the owners, a couple real nice fellas. Yeah, what a great experience. Maybe we will do some more of this riding to test sandwiches in the future. Coming up, I've got Motorcycle Destinations of Arkansas, where we're gonna rate all the best motorcycle destinations in Arkansas. Restaurants, bars and nightlife, roads to ride, roadside attractions, and off-road. If you guys have ridden or know anything about places I should be sharing with the World Wide Web in Arkansas, places that are literally considered motorcycle destinations, go over to AdamSandoval.com, cast a vote, because later this month, I'll be doing a 2-week tour all across Arkansas to bring you all the best places you should put on your bucket list. Until the next video, y'all, thank you very much. Like I said, today's video almost didn't happen. Too much was going wrong. We were getting out too late and we were worried about the heat, but we stayed stubborn. We made it here and we enjoyed some amazing sandwiches.